Hi everyone, welcome to the Excel experience. Today, in this video, we will see how to create a bar of pie chart using house expense data. This chart is perfect for breaking down smaller categories that might get lost in a regular pie chart. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel for more Excel tips and tutorials. Let's begin. This is our sample data of 1 month, rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and a few more categories. Now, let's create the chart. First, select the data range. Next, go to the Insert tab. Click on the Pie Chart drop-down, and choose the Bar of Pie option. Now that we have our bar of pie chart, you can see that our last 3 expenses are grouped in the bar. Let's customize this chart to make it more impactful. Right-click on any slice of the pie and select Format Data Series. In the Format Data Series pane, you'll see values in second plot set to 3. You can adjust this number up or down to include more or fewer values in the second plot. We can even choose how we would like to split the data, by value or by position. Right now, it's set to position, which is why the last 3 data points are placed in the bar. However, for this chart, we'll change the setting to value and enter 200 in the values less than box. This will group all expenses below $200 into the bar. Let's format the chart first. Change the color from Chart Design. Now, add data labels along with percentage. For separator, I'll select New Line. Keep the legends outside end. Now, add the chart title, Monthly Expense. We can also move a category from the second plot to the first, and vice versa. We can adjust the size of the second plot, which is the bar chart, by increasing or decreasing the second plot size. We can also change the color of the connecting lines. And, from the end arrow type, I'll add an arrow to make it look more visually appealing. Add outline to the chart area, and increase the width. Also, add shadow effect. And there you have it, a clear and effective bar of pie chart that highlights both major and minor expenses. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Excel experience for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.